Asexual reproduction 4 types: fission, budding, fragmentation and regeneration. Today we are going to learn about fragmentation. In fragmentation, the parent body breaks down into pieces or fragments, and each fragment have the capacity to develop into a new individual. So in fragmentation, the parent body breaks down into number of pieces or fragments, and each fragment have the capacity to develop into a new individual. Here example, tapeworm or Tinea solium. Tapeworm or Tinea solium. First you should know the structure of tapeworm, where the body is divided into scolex, neck and proglottids. The proglottids are the segments of the tapeworm. Proglottids are the segments of tapeworm, where you can see a chain with a number of segments. So this is called the strobila. This is the strobila. Now this strobila is divided into three proglottids. Three types of proglottids. They are immature proglottids, mature proglottids and gravid proglottids. Now you got the structure of tapeworm, that is the body is divided into scolex, neck and three types of proglottids. They are immature proglottids, mature proglottids and gravid proglottids. Then you should know the meaning of gravid. What is the meaning of gravid? It is carrying eggs or young ones. Gravid means an organism which is carrying eggs or young ones. Okay, so here in tapeworm, the gravid or ripe proglottids are the oldest at the posterior end of the strobila. So in the structure of the tapeworm, the anterior end is the scolex and the posterior end is the gravid proglottids. The anterior end is the scolex and the posterior end is the gravid proglottids. The gravid proglottids are regularly cut off from the body of the organism as single or in groups. So you know these are the segments of the body. Segments of the body. What is the proglottids are the segments of the tapeworm. So the posterior end of the organism have the gravid proglottids which gets regularly cut off from the body. So you know the meaning of gravid. Gravid means carrying eggs or young ones. So here the regular cutting off of the gravid proglottids from the body of the tapeworm is called apolysis. So what is apolysis? The regular cutting off of the proglottids from the body of the tapeworm is called apolysis. This is very significant since it helps in transferring the developed embryo. So you know these gravid proglottids are regularly removing from the body. Gravid means they have something that means the carrying eggs or young ones. This very significant since helps in transferring the developed embryos from the primary host to the secondary host.